If you're looking for the best mufflers, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Colt Exhaust pair of single-chamber performance race mufflers. For all you DIY enthusiasts, Colt's great value mufflers come as a pair, each of which utilizes the manufacturer's own chambered technology to reduce back pressure in the exhaust system, while throwing out an aggressive deep growl that would be impossible to achieve with a stock muffler. Constructed from corrosion-resistant and durable aluminized steel, the mufflers closely resemble the sound given out by Flowmaster components. Drivers describe the sound produced as low, deep, and throaty, and are frequently impressed with the quality considering the price per component. Key features: suitable for 2.5-inch exhaust pipe. Chambered design. Produces an aggressive sound. Ideal for use on Mustang Vasals. Specification. Brand: Colt Exhaust. Weight: 12.35 pounds. Pros: made from quality aluminized steel. Excellent value for money. Produces a deep, throaty sound. Improves engine power and fuel efficiency. Cons: professional installation may be required. Sound produced may be too aggressive for some drivers' preferences. Not as long-lasting as other options on the market. Number 2. Flowmaster 953047 Super 40 Muffler. If you're searching for something that will offer a deep growl without being overpowering, then look no further than this Flowmaster muffler. Featuring the manufacturer's patented Delta Flow technology, the muffler's two-chamber design offers more efficient engine performance, while simultaneously emitting a satisfying and aggressive tone. The muffler is designed with high horsepower vehicles in mind and performs best when working with a powerful engine. Users report that the muffler produces a sound that's deep and smooth, a real improvement on stock mufflers, without being too loud to drive comfortably on a day-to-day basis. It's also a long-lasting and durable option that's manufactured with superior MIG welding. Pros: perfect option if you're looking for truck mufflers. Satisfying, deep sound that isn't too loud. Ideal for vehicles with V8 engines. Highly durable design. Customer favorite. Cons: not suitable for vehicles without a 3-inch exhaust pipe. Number 3. Magnaflow Exhaust Products Muffler. This Magnaflow exhaust offers wide-open performance, which depends on glass pack rather than chambered technology. The component offers a nice deep tone alongside improved acceleration performance. The large diameter of the perforated stainless steel core housed inside helps to facilitate excellent airflow throughout the exhaust system. Each part of the muffler is constructed from durable and corrosion-resistant stainless steel that's designed to last for years to come. Magnaflow's unique acoustical fiber is also engineered to withstand high temperatures and offer the maximum possible sound absorption, so it can hold its own even in extreme weather conditions. We firmly believe that this is one of the best glass pack mufflers available. Pros: compatible with a wide variety of vehicles. Offers a deep, loud sound. Improves acceleration. Wide open performance design does not restrict airflow. Cons: not ideal if you want a quiet ride. Welds are not up to the quality of some other manufacturers. Number 4. Evil Energy 2.5 Inlet 4 Outlet Burnt Exhaust. Universal fit for all 2.5-inch exhaust pipe. As long as your exhaust pipe is 2.5-inch, it would fit. And easy to install, bolts on in minutes. You can choose butt joint, lap joint, or muffler seal clamp, U-bolt clamp. Polished chrome stainless steel, the burnt muffler is 2.5-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet, 18.6-inch length. Just need to measure the inlet of your car before purchase. Straight-through muffler design reduces back pressure, while absorbing sound waves made from the stainless steel for long-lasting durability. A muffler is used near the end of the stem on a vehicle. W exhausts work on the principle of destructive interference and absorption. The walls of the muffler are made of 2 layers of stainless steel, which help reduce vibration and absorb sound. Warranty: Evil Energy provide muffler have 3-month warranty. We value your shopping experience and strive to offer a high-quality product and service. And if you have any other problem, contacting us, and we will serve you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.